Okay, to start the pedals, I cut two pieces, 1.25 inches, and by 1.25 inches, welded them together side by side, and drilled this hole here so that they're both in the exact same spot. Popped them apart, ground them down, cleaned them up, and fit this rod right there, and welded them down in line, square with the frame and all that. And the pedals operate on that. There'll be a cotter pin in it later. Then I cut these pieces, because that's what I got, is a tubing that fits right over this pipe, and it'll be cut into smaller pieces, and the pedals will be welded on, so the pedal works like that in there. And I'll show you on this bike what it does, what it looks like. When they're done, that's the master cylinder, goes right there. And there's the pedal on the shaft. Big block with the hole drilled in it. Same, you know. Okay, and this scooter gets pedals. These are the pedals themselves. And I've bent them. They're exactly the same. I bent them. Now we're going to take and weld them together, and then drill the hole for the shaft right there, and pop them back apart, clean them up, and mount them with the pipe on the pedals. All right. Okay, so I welded these two little pieces on here to give me a pedal, place to put the foot. A foot pedal. Now it goes there. And we'll go like that when they're on the scooter. All right, next step. All right, I've welded and cleaned and ground off the pedals, and smoothed them up, drilled the holes, mounted them. This is the template for the master cylinder mount. Just a piece of sheet metal that I made many years ago, and mount the master cylinder right there, and line the pedal up in the hole, and that's where your pedal goes. And you just measure from here to here, and do the same thing on this side, and split it in the middle, and with these chrome pieces, and there you have the pedals all done. All right, I've cut the chrome pieces and fitted them in, and this is the template, and I laid it right up to the pedal, so we know that the plunger is going to go right smack in the middle of the template, or the master cylinder hole. And next we'll weld these the tubes onto the pedals, making the pedals a more solid piece. And I put this bar up here to level the pedals, so when they're finished, they'll be level, not sagging. All right, we have the sheet steel to make the head straps. These are the two head straps, right and left. Here is the shifter. These are the templates. And that is ready to cut. This is the master cylinder mount by the template. And the head strap by the template. You can get creative with this line. You know, you come up with all kinds of neat designs for this place. You don't even have to grind this except smooth it off, but this is where you'll grind, and across the top of this and across the top of that. All right, that's it. Okay, the pedals are built. On the thing, I mounted the push rod. Mounted the push rod for the master cylinder. That's right there. I cut the master cylinder brake plate out of plate steel, a 1/4 inch I bought, and cut a hole, welded these bolts in, so the master cylinder goes right there. Right on the bolts. The plunger goes right in, operates, and there's your brake setup.